Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a hanging indent in Canva. To do this, you need to be in your Canva design. So this is the paragraph that I want to format with a hanging indent. Make sure you have the alignment centered like this. Now, to apply an indent or hanging indent, go to the Add Headline section, just like this. To do that, you just need to do it like this. Now, you can add whatever heading you like. Just go to Heading and choose How to Indent. How to create a hanging indent like this. If you want to make it smaller, go to the Position option and set it to the center. Like this, you can simply create your hanging indent. Make sure there isn't any space between them, just like this. So, in this way, you can create a hanging indent in Canva. These are simple steps and an easy way to do it. If you have any questions about this video, please comment below. I will be answering all of your questions.